Staking cryptocurrency, a comprehensive guide. In this video, we will be discussing staking cryptocurrency. We will explain what staking is, how it works, and why it is becoming increasingly popular among cryptocurrency investors. We will also explore the benefits and risks of staking, as well as provide a step-by-step guide on how to stake your cryptocurrency. By the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of staking and be ready to start staking your own cryptocurrency. Hello and welcome to our video on staking cryptocurrency. In recent years, cryptocurrency has become an increasingly popular investment option for people around the world. However, with so many different investment strategies available, it can be difficult to know which one is right for you. One investment strategy that has gained popularity in recent years is staking. In this video, we will explain what staking is, how it works, and why it is becoming an increasingly popular choice for cryptocurrency investors. What is staking cryptocurrency? Staking is a process that involves holding and validating transactions on a blockchain network. It is similar to mining, but instead of using computer power to validate transactions, it uses a proof-of-stake, polonium-2 sulfide, consensus algorithm. In a POS system, validators are chosen to create new blocks and validate transactions based on the amount of cryptocurrency they hold and lock up as collateral. The more cryptocurrency a validator holds, the more likely they are to be chosen to validate transactions and receive rewards. Staking is a way to help secure the blockchain network and incentivize users to hold onto their cryptocurrency. By staking their cryptocurrency, users can earn rewards in the form of additional cryptocurrency. This is because validators are rewarded by the network for helping to keep the network safe and verifying transactions. The benefits of staking cryptocurrencies are many. First and foremost, staking can be a profitable investment strategy. By staking your cryptocurrency, you can earn rewards without having to actively trade or invest in other assets. Additionally, staking can help secure the network and increase the overall value of the cryptocurrency. However, there are also risks associated with staking cryptocurrency. One risk is that the value of the cryptocurrency could decrease, resulting in a loss of investment. There is also always the chance that technical problems or network failures could make it hard to stake or get rewards. If you're interested in staking cryptocurrency, there are a few steps you'll need to take. First, you'll need to choose a cryptocurrency that allows staking. Staking is now an option for a lot of cryptocurrencies, such as Ethereum, Cardano, and Polkadot. Once you've chosen a cryptocurrency to stake, you'll need to set up a staking wallet. This is a wallet specifically designed for staking and will allow you to lock up your cryptocurrency and participate in the staking process. You'll also need to decide on a validator, which is the entity that will validate your transactions and provide you with rewards. That's it for our video on staking cryptocurrency. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Remember to do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency or staking platform, and always be aware of the risks involved. Thank you for watching, consider subscribing and we'll see you in the next video.